So I'm just gonna jump right into it. The first thing I do is section my hair into like 2 large sections right down the middle of my head. And then I'll section those large sections into even smaller ones, if that makes sense. Yeah, then the next thing is to spray my hair down with some warm water and then massage the water through my hair, since my hair has been like very dry. Just massaging it, as you can see. Now I'm going in with my Aunt Jackie's detangling therapy thing. Oh my gosh, this thing smells so good and it just melts my tangles away. I'm still also massaging it through and then pulling at my ends, because that's the part that's usually the most tangled. And then also finger detangling, gently separating my hair before I go in with my comb. Yeah, I usually spend a lot of time finger detangling like before I go in with my comb, because I lose much less hair when I do it that way. As you can see, I'm still going in, like pulling. I don't know why the ends of my hair coil up so much. So now I'm gonna comb, and I'm starting from the tips going down to the roots. As you can tell, just check how the comb is gliding through my hair. Like the finger detangling worked and the detangling therapy thing worked. So I always twist up the section that I have already finished detangling or working with, just to keep it out of the way and focus on the ones that I haven't yet dealt with. Now that I've finished detangling my hair, I'm going to go ahead and pre-poo it, and my oil of choice today is coconut oil. This oil is so fantastic for pre-pooing. So I went ahead and applied the coconut oil like all through my hair, all through the twist. I would apply it and then twist it back up, just so that my hair doesn't tangle again. And then I just covered it in a plastic bag and went to sleep. This was the next day. My hair felt really nice and soft and everything, like all the moisture had seeped in. Now I'm going to shampoo my hair using this olive oil or shampoo. My hair is wet here. I'm just focusing the shampoo on my scalp, and I'm gonna use my fingers to massage. Is massage the right word? Yeah, to massage the scalp, like to massage the shampoo into my scalp and just clean my scalp really good, because there tends to be a lot of build-up there. And then I'm also gonna do the same thing with the length of my hair as well, before I wash it, before I rinse it off or rinse it out. Now I'm going to use this deep conditioner. It's the Fix My Hair deep conditioner from Aunt Jackie's. This conditioner is just a dream. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing I did, unravel each section and apply the deep conditioner to it and then retwist it up. I like applying a deep conditioner to soaking wet hair, as opposed to applying it to like dry hair or damp hair. It just seems to work much better for me that way, especially for deep conditioners like this one that don't have so much slip. This is definitely my favorite part of wash day, just applying deep conditioner onto my hair and like massaging it through. There's just something so therapeutic about it. Finished applying the deep conditioner all through my hair. Now I'm just gathering it up into a bun and then wearing this plastic bag or heat cap, and then I'm gonna keep this in my hair for about 2 hours and go on about my business as I let the deep conditioner work its magic. This is 2 hours later. I'm getting ready to go and rinse out the deep conditioner. I'm using a t-shirt to dry my hair as I get ready to moisturize and style it. To moisturize my hair, I'll be using the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner as well as my homemade whipped shea butter. So I first go in with my leave-in conditioner and thoroughly massage it through my hair, focusing on the ends. Then I follow that up with my whipped shea butter. So this is actually the LCO method, which is liquid, cream and oil. The liquid is the water that's already in my hair since my hair is slightly damp, and then the cream here will be my leave-in. The oil is my whipped shea butter. Because I'm going to do a braid out and I want it to be extra defined, I'm going to go over these oils with my Aunt Jackie's Curl Lala Defining Custard before braiding my hair up. It's the next day and I'm just unraveling my braids. Oh my gosh, it took me the longest time to do this. I think I might have made the braids a little too tiny. Next time I'll just do it in bigger sections. But yeah, it turned out quite well. Look at the definition. Look at the definition, guys. Absolutely love it. So this is how it turned out. Super defined and super soft. Now I'm just picking the roots for extra volume. This is the final look. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching.